Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Here we're at USPN. It was a MagFed event only. It was pretty fun, made new friends. I had a great time, can't complain. The refs were like really good, they had everything going. So here we're at a smaller on map. It's Team Deathmatch 5 versus 5. Winner takes $5,000 home. Not bad, huh? So anyways, I was on the red team. I was on the top of the screen. Me and Saul decided to go to the left side, and he was gonna suppress. I was gonna stay in the back.
Go. Cover me, bro. I'm right here. Watch out, Saul. No te... I think I got him.
So we won the first round. I was expecting the team to push a little bit harder on us, but I mean, we still won, so that's good. So now we're switching sides, and now I choose to play on the right side now because I noticed I had a much better view, a better angle. So I'm going to try and hold them back as long as I can, and hopefully my team's able to do something. Let's check it out.
Bro, watch out. Watch out, I got a view over here. All right.
So there you guys have it. I wasn't able to hold them back. They suppressed me pretty hard, but that's part of the game. Shout out to Saul Garcia, aka El Topo, to Vinny, to Julio, Eddie. Man, it was great playing with you guys. Hopefully we do it sometime again. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.